You guys keep asking, so I'm gonna make it. What's good, everyone? Hayden here, coming back at you with a brand new video, and in this one, it's the long anticipated affiliate marketing video, but this is not just one video. This is the start of a maybe 2-part, 3-part, 4-part mini series, legit series, whatever you want to call it, on affiliate marketing. Now I want to start this off by saying go ahead and join the group that I made. It's down below. We have that Facebook dropshipping group. Now we have one just like solely focused on affiliate marketing. It's gonna be dope and we're gonna blow it up. Tons of value gonna be thrown around in there every single day. If you kind of want my insider tips and tricks, not only are we throwing that on YouTube, but I'm gonna be posting that group every single day. All right, since we've got that out of the way, I wanna kind of go through and explain my story and jump inside of my computer, just to explain a little bit about the basics behind affiliate marketing. What is it for those of you who don't know, kind of as well as how I've structured it. I know there's a lot of different ways to do it, just like there is for any other business. So I'm gonna explain what I used to do with it, kind of my story, my leading up to it, how much money I make with it, how much money I've made, all that type of stuff. That's what we're gonna be covering inside of these next couple of videos. So let's jump inside of my computer and start going through it. Okay, I want to give you guys a little bit of background just on my story, my experience, my everything with affiliate marketing, okay? So back when I was an Instagram influencer, if you guys don't know that, I used to run a lot of different Instagram influencer pages. Before that started transitioning into dropshipping and the whole e-commerce side of things, which I didn't even know that existed. So people were paying me for shout outs, both for some affiliate offers now that I think about it, as well as a lot of dropshipping stuff. And I didn't really realize what it was or what it was for. Honestly, I didn't care. I was making 20 bucks. People were like, oh, 5 bucks, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, promote this on your page. So I would do it. Eventually, I realized I had an audience in different niches and I could sell random products that I didn't have to put any effort into creating as an affiliate. So there were a couple different things I could use, you know, websites like ClickBank. Those are different affiliate stuff. Not gonna fully dive into that on this video. That's gonna be more in kind of part 2 and part 3 of this series. Affiliate marketing for me was my first legitimate residual income stream. That's where I found consistency. That's where I first broke 4 figures a month, you know, $1,000. And obviously that started climbing, but it was consistent. And so every single month since the beginning of, when was it? I'd actually say about at the end of 2016, that's where I started making some money. So at that point I was making, I'd say about $1,000 a month, and every single month that was going up like an extra $300 to $500. Now, from that point, that was all through one different income stream, and I'm gonna explain more about what that was, but that was consistent. So we're gonna be talking about the structure in video 2, kind of what are the different types of offers you can promote. But my structure, this is the way that I personally like to do things, is residual, okay? So for me, the way I'm doing things now, I would rather do all the front end work, put in the work, get everything out of the way, and then if I choose to do so, I can take a step back in 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 2 years, and have it still be there. Because let's say you're, I don't even know, let's just go with mowing lawns. It's not residual. So if you're mowing lawns, what happens when you stop mowing lawns? You stop making money. So it's like, unless you built it in a way and set up a structure, how you can continue to get paid from doing it without actually doing it, then that for me is not the structure I want to create. So that goes beyond just affiliate marketing, any business I'm creating now, you know, software, gotta develop it, gotta focus on the marketing, gotta do everything about it. Then it becomes a little bit more passive. You can remove your time from that and go to focus on something else. So for me, that's where I started just making my first couple $1,000s a month. Now affiliate marketing without trying or doing anything is about, I would say at least 5,000 to 8,000 a month, literally without, I don't do anything. So that's like front end, you know, I did the work, I've done everything. And if I wanted to do it, I could make more if I wanted to actually focus on that. So it's one of those income streams where it's pretty much unlimited, it has unlimited scalability. So if you want to scale it to $100 a month, cool, that's very, very simple. But once you build that skill to figure out how to get it to $100 a month, $1,000 a month, 10,000 a month. I mean, I know there's people doing $1 million a month with affiliate marketing. It's crazy. The thing is, you can literally do anything. There are so many different products. I mean, you can be an affiliate for Amazon. Obviously, it's like 1% to 3%, eventually going up to 7%, but that's a like real brand. You can sell iPhone chargers from Amazon, you know, supplied by Apple. So it's like, you can really promote anything and everything. I mean, protein shakes, there's literally an ample amount of products to do out there. It doesn't even have to be informational stuff, service, legitimate products, physical products, digital products, anything. So that's kind of one of those things you have to decide what's best for you. In this part 2, we're gonna be going through and kind of explaining what are the different types of things you can do. My advice to you, if you guys wanna get into affiliate marketing, the best thing that I personally have found success with, there's a lot of different ways to do it, so this is just my experience. This is where I made my money. Build an audience. Once you have an audience, which by the way is free to build, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, whatever you want to use, build an audience around a specific niche, and from there you can sell them products that relate to it. It's that simple. It's absolutely that simple. For me, it was Instagram influencer pages. I was using a software to help build the pages, and I promoted that software. It's as simple as that. Residual commission, they directly tied in. People are like, oh, you're going so fast, how are you doing this? Boom, there's your answer. I get an affiliate cut for it. Everybody wins, it helps them. They get a direct service as well as I'm getting that affiliate cut residually. So if someone's paying 30 bucks a month and you're getting, let's say 15 of it, 50%, you're getting that $15 every single month as long as that person keeps paying. So theoretically, you only did the work one time to get that person in, and now you're making money forever. Obviously it's not forever, but that's one of the things. So if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing, I would really take the time to, first of all, definitely go through this 2, 3, 4-part series, whatever we're putting together here, but go through and do your research. There's not a channel or a course or anything I've done on affiliate marketing that just doesn't exist in my opinion. It's quality. So that's why I wanted to touch on it. I want to be a little bit careful on just how I structure these next few videos, because a lot of people have been asking. This is something I have a lot of experience with, and so I want to make sure I do it right. I've been mapping out these videos, so I want to just kind of be a little bit careful and cautious with that. Just out of curiosity, plain curiosity, I want every single person who's already doing affiliate marketing, comment down below kind of what a couple of your struggles are. I'm curious to see, is it traffic, is it getting the sales, finding the right offer? What for you has been your biggest struggle? Maybe even getting started, but just once you're already getting the ball rolling, what has some of your problems been with affiliate marketing specifically? And for those of you who don't even know, I probably should have mentioned this at the beginning. When you're an affiliate, you're selling a product. Let's take a wallet. You're selling a wallet. Let's say it's $20. They're like, hey, we'll give you 50%. It's almost like drop shipping. Think about it like that, actually. If you guys watch all the content on this channel, you are connecting someone with a product, whether it's digital, physical, or a service, doesn't really matter. You're the connecting middleman of that to the consumer. So it's boom, boom, boom. It's like a triangle, and you're getting a commission of that. That can be anywhere from like 1% to actually 100%, 200%. There's things that pay that because it's residual and they know the long-term value of their customer. So if you're selling, let's say, a wallet for 20 bucks, and they're saying, hey, we'll give you 50%, you're gonna get $10 per sale. So that's just kind of how it works. You're just facilitating that. Obviously, how do you get that sale? That's a whole nother conversation. That's what we're gonna be covering in part 2, part 3, however long this goes, as well as inside that Facebook group. Be sure to join that. Link is down below. I'm gonna leave that open for the next 3 days as we go through and just set up all these affiliate marketing videos. So if you guys wanna get access inside of there, 100% free, ton of value inside of there. I'm also gonna be posting about kind of a few different things that I've done that have worked and what I would recommend to you. Even stuff that I've seen or I see right now is a great opportunity for affiliate marketing. I just don't do it. That's the type of stuff that I'm gonna be sharing inside of that group. So definitely jump inside of there. I'm gonna leave that link down below. And with that being said, don't forget to drop a comment with what problems you're having with affiliate marketing. Maybe it's getting started, maybe it's starting to scale. You guys are making a few $100, you're running into some problems. Let me know what that would be down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video, I'd appreciate it if you drop a like down below. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to join the family by hitting that nice link and subscribe button. And I post every single day. So check back tomorrow for part 2. Peace.